Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use the index and match function as a powerful alternative to V and H-Lookup function. I will start by showing what the formula does, then compare index match to V and H-Lookup, afterward how the index and match functions work separately, and finally how to combine them. The two formulas combined can look up and return the value of a cell in a table based on vertical and horizontal criteria or coordinates. For example, if I would like to look up the wine consumption in Australia 2016, this value should return. Germany in 2017, this value should return. This is extremely useful, especially if you have a large set of data and would like to look up values for only a selected few. V-lookup and H-lookup functions are somehow unflexible. V-lookup looks only to the right. For it to work, the data to look up must be on the right. Index and match looks left and right. With VLOOKUP, you must consider the whole table in the formula to return the results. If you add, shift, or delete columns, the formula will not work and give false results. With index and match, only a single column can be specified to return the results from instead of the whole table. This means if you add or delete columns, you will not break the formula. Let's begin with the index function. The index function finds and returns a value at a given position. The function has three arguments. The first one is the range you want to look in. This can be one column or a table with multiple rows and columns. The second argument is a relative row number within this range. The third one is optional and applies when the function looks in multiple columns instead of one. So to summarize, you give the function a range to look in as well as the coordinates of the value. Let's apply two examples to better understand that. In the first one, the range will be a single column. The function will return the value from the specified position. In the second example, the range will be a table with multiple rows and columns. So to summarize, the index function returns a value from a range based on the given coordinates. The match function finds the position of an item in a range. For example, I would like to find the position of 2017 in this range. In this case, it is position 5. Let's apply the formula. In the second example, I will apply the match to the vertical list of countries. If I change the country in this case, the position returned will be adjusted. Now for the first example, I will combine both functions to find the consumption value for France in 2017. The index function will look for the result value in a range, and the match function will provide the coordinates, meaning row and column number. To facilitate the matter, I will start with the match function, then nest it in the index function. So the formula will look for a match to the chosen country. Okay, now I will nest it with the index function. The formula will be index, meaning lookup for the result value in this range based on the coordinate found by the match function. Let's change some parameters. Wonderful. Now for the second example, I will use the match to find the coordinates of the row and the column. Match will find the coordinate of this year in this range. The same again for the country in this range. Now I will integrate both in the index function. I can change any of the parameters and the formula will look up for the value for me. For the index and match function to work properly, the index data containing the values to be returned must have the same number of rows and columns as the data from which the match function returns the row and column number. Not only that, the range in the index function must be on the same level of the indexed range. I hope you found what you were looking for in this tutorial. If yes, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos. Check out other Excel video tutorials by Swag Academy in this playlist. Thanks for watching.